What's up, y'all? It's your boy SaucyRossy, the Canadian king of backyard barbecue. I'm out here with my offset smoker. I'm smoking some sausages right now. Cold smoking them. They're going to be absolutely delicious. It's my first time making some like brown sugar maple breakfast sausages. And guys, I can't wait to share that recipe with you. It's not actually why I'm checking in today. So, I hit a huge milestone recently, and I'm really excited about that. I just thought I'd share a quick moment with everyone, say thank you because I wouldn't have been able to get here without you guys. So if you're part of my community, one of the many subscribers I've gotten, like I said, just passed a milestone of 10,000 subscribers here on YouTube. It's pretty cool, guys. I also just passed 5 million views. So I'm pretty hyped. This is pretty cool. I'm not really sure why you guys are listening to me, checking out my barbecue, but you can just trust me that I'm having an absolute blast and doing my absolute best to try and just chill, share easy recipes, show you guys how much fun barbecue can be. So if you're one of my many followers already, thank you. It seriously means a lot. If you're new here, well, go ahead, hit that button, like, and subscribe. I like griddling. I have an offset smoker. I have a charcoal grill. I got a gas grill. The list goes on. I have a pellet smoker, like a wood fired oven. So I even bake outside with wood. Guys, we have a lot of fun on this channel. So if you're new here, hit those buttons, like and subscribe. And if you're one of the many people that helped me get to this milestone, sincerely, thank you. It really means a lot. I'm going to try my hardest this summer to release a ton of simple recipes that are easy to follow and enjoyable. So make sure you tune in, check back, all that stuff. You know what's up. I'm always out here cooking delicious food. Seriously, guys, I got these sausages going today. I'm thinking I might do some smash burgers as well. You guys know what's up. I'm always out here grilling way too much food. Ugh, whatever. I love it. Thanks again for watching. If you're new here, hit those buttons like I've been saying. Join the community. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Thanks again, everyone. Seriously. Thank you.